Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Etsy reviews for your site in Duda. So let's go. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of that widgets is Etsy reviews. So sign up for free. Just add email, your password, or sign up with Google. And when you will have it, you want to click login. Now you will be in applications and you want to write Etsy. And you're going to see here Etsy reviews. Let's create a widget. And now just add Etsy URL here. I'm going to leave the one here, the Grovdievska. Then you got like layout. You can change the layout. You can change the header. You got like review card layout that you can choose, and style like colors. I'm going to leave it like this. So now I will just click save. When you do it, you need to choose between the plan. You can choose between the light version if you're starting out 200 views, or go with the basic or pro version that's 50,000 views or 5,000 views per application. Really up to you. So when I have it, let's just copy the code here and let's just add a widget here. Let's add HTML and let's update it. Let's see how it looks like. So voila, here we got it. Perfect Etsy review. You can also choose how many of them you're gonna see those reviews, but this is how it actually works. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. Also, what I recommend, check it out the monthly or annual plans with all applications. So if you like more apps in Placeit, definitely go with the basic or pro pack for all apps, and you can really choose many of them. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. Thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.